ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ ପୁଣି ଏକ ସେସନ୍ରେ ଯାହାର ସେସନ୍ ଏମିତି ଦିଆହେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ ଭାବୁଛି କେଉଁ ରାସ୍ତାକୁ ଯିବି। ଏହା ଅର୍ଥ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଟୁ ଗୋ ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ ରୋଡ଼ ଇଜ୍ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଫର୍ ମାଇ ଲାଇଫ୍, ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ ରୋଡ଼ ଇଜ୍ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଫର୍ ମାଇ କ୍ୟାରିୟର, ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ ରୋଡ଼ ଇଜ୍ ବେଷ୍ଟ ଫର୍ ମାଇ opportunity, and which way of life is best life for surviving, and which way for solve my personal problem, educational problem. It is nothing, friends, it is just concept of guidance. Let's discussion today the concept of guidance, meaning, nature, scope and types of guidance. Let's start. Earth ପାଇଁ ଏତିକି ନବା ଆମେ ଶପଥ, understand the worth of earth and treats with care and gives love in deserve. ଗଛ ଲଗାଇବା ଏବଂ ଆର୍ଥର ମୂଲ୍ୟକୁ ବୁଝିବା ଏବଂ ତା'ର ସୁରକ୍ଷା ଆମ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ଅଟେ. Take the responsibility to proper care in earth because earth is mother of all care and emotions. Earth is care of all resources for human existence. Thank you. Let's start our topic. It is concept of guidance. What is the meaning of guidance? Guidance is nothing. It is way of direction and way of suggestion, way of advice to realize on capability for go a perfect direction to achieve the goal. Okay, friends? Now discussion meaning of guidance. Friends, guidance माने कौन? Literally, guidance means to direct. Guidance means to direct, to point out, and to show the path, to show the way, to show the direction. It is assistance. It is assistance, friends, or help rendered by a more experienced person to a less experienced person to solve certain measure of problems of the individual less experiences. अच्छा, ପିଲାମାନେ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ କହିଲ କିଏ କାହାକୁ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଦେଇଥାଏ? ଏଠି ସେ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ପର୍ସନକୁ ଆମେ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ମାଗନ୍ତି ପ୍ରାୟ ସମୟରେ। କେଉଁଟା କଲେ ଠିକ୍ ହେବ, କେଉଁ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ନେଲେ ଠିକ୍ ହେବ, ସେ ଆମକୁ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି। ଆମେ ବହୁତ ବଡ଼ ଲୋକ, ବହୁତ ଏଜୁକେଟେଡ଼, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଗାଁକୁ। ଆମେ କାହାକୁ ପଚାରିବା? ନା ଗାଁ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିବା। ସେତେବେଳେ ଗାଁ ଲୋକ ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟ, ଗାଁ ଲୋକ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସେସ୍, ଆମେ ଲେକ୍ସ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସେସ୍। ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ମୋମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ରେ ଭେରି କରିଥାଏ କିଏ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ପର୍ସନ୍। ମନେକର ଆମେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ଫରେନ୍, ଆମର ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି କୋଣାର୍କ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି। କୋଣାର୍କ ଆଗରେ ଯେଉଁ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଲୋକ ରହନ୍ତି ଗାଇଡ଼ କରିବା ପାଇଁ, ଆମକୁ ସଜେସନ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ, ବୁଝେଇ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ, ତାଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ପଚାରିବା। ଆମେ ଯେତେ ପଢ଼ିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସେସ୍ ପର୍ସନ୍, ସେ ଆମକୁ ସେଠି ଗାଇଡ଼ କରିପାରିବେ। ବେଳେବେଳେ ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆ ବଡ଼ ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଗାଇଡ଼ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ସମ୍ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ୍ ଏରିଆରେ, ଏବଂ ବେଳେବେଳେ ବଡ଼ ଲୋକ ମଧ୍ୟ ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆଙ୍କୁ ଗାଇଡ଼ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ସମ୍ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ୍ ଏରିଆରେ। ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି, ତ ଏଇ ହେଉଛି କଥା। ବାପା ବହୁତ ବଡ଼, କିନ୍ତୁ ପୁଅ ମୋବାଇଲ ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟ। ବାପା ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି, ପୁଅ ସେଠି କ'ଣ କରୁଛି? ବାପା ଏମିତି ଚଲା ଶିଖେଇ ଦେଉଛି। ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ। ପୁଅ କେଉଁ କ୍ୟାରିୟର ନେବ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି, ବାପା ଟିଚର ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଶିଖେଇ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ନେ। ତ ଭେରି କରେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ, ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଏରିଆରେ, ବିଭିନ୍ନ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ରେ। ଓକେ, ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ରେଣ୍ଡର୍ଡ ବାଇ ୱାନ୍ ମୋର୍ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସେସ୍ ପର୍ସନ୍ ଟୁ ଲେସ୍ ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ପର୍ସନ୍। ଏଇଟା ଭେରି କରିଥାଏ। ଓକେ, ଏଜୁକେସନ୍ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଭେରି କରିଥାଏ, ଭୋକେସନାଲ୍ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ଭେରି କରିଥାଏ, ପର୍ସନାଲ୍ କ୍ଷେତ୍ରରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଭେରି କରିଥାଏ। ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ବେସିକ୍ କନସେପ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ। ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦ ମିନିଂ ଅଫ୍ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ? Guidance is nothing. Guidance to direct, to point out, to show up the path. It is assistance or help rendered by a more experienced person to less experienced person to solve certain major problems of the individual less experiences. Educational क्षेत्र, vocational क्षेत्र, personal क्षेत्र. Okay, next. Guidance is a concept as well as a process. Why guidance is a process? Guidance is a not short term. It may be long term. It may be continuous. It may be lengthy. It may be systematic. Guidance is a concept as well as a process. Why guidance is process? As a concept, guidance is a concrete with the optimal development of an individual. Very important. Guidance is a concept of a guidance concerned with the optimal development of the individual. As a process, guidance is a kind concept because it is concerned with optimal development of a individual. Guidance can be process ଆମେ ଏଠି ପଢ଼ିବା. As a process, guidance helps the individual in self understanding one's strength, limitation and other resources, and in self direction, ability to solve problems, make choice and decision on one's own way. It is very guidance is concept because it concern with optimal development of individual, but guidance is process. Why guidance is process? Because it is a process of helping individual to understand his capacity, his strength, his weakness and make the decision in own efforts. Okay, ଦୁଇଟି ସଂଜ୍ଞା ପଢ଼ିବା. କାହାର? ରୁଥ୍ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଙ୍ଗ ଆଣ୍ଡ ନାପ୍ସକର. ଓକେ, ରୁଥ୍ କ'ଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍. ରୁଥ୍ କ'ଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଡେଫିନେସନ୍ରେ? ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍, ଓକେ, of helping every individual through his own effort. तो own effort किए कहते रुथ स्ट्रेंग. own efforts to discover and develop his potential for his personal happiness and social usefulness. गाइडेंस ହେଉଛି ଏକ ପ୍ରକ୍ରିୟା. କାହାର? ନା ସମସ୍ତ ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗାଇଡ଼ କରିବା ପାଇଁ. କେମିତି ଗାଇଡ଼ କରିବା? ତା ନିଜର ଏଫର୍ଟ, ନିଜର କ୍ଷମତା, ନିଜର ବୁଦ୍ଧି ଏବଂ ନିଜର ଦକ୍ଷତାକୁ ଆଖି ଆଗରେ ରଖି ତାର ଖୁସି ଏବଂ ସାମାଜିକ ବ୍ୟବହାରରେ ଲାଗିପାରୁଥିବା ଗୋଟିଏ ପଥକୁ ଚୟନ କରିବାର ପ୍ରଣାଳୀ. ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଇଜ୍ ନଥିଙ୍ଗ, ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ହେଲ୍ପିଂ ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍ every individual through his own efforts and to discover and develop his potential and innate power for the personal happiness and social usefulness. बढ़िया डेफिनेशन. नेक्स्ट ଯିବା. क्नाप्स का मतलब learning about the individual students, helping him to understand himself, effecting changes in him and in his environment, which will help him to grow and develop as much as possible. These are the elements of guidance. Simple कथा, similarity ମଧ୍ୟ କିଛି ମାତ୍ରା ରହିଛି. କ୍ନାପ୍ସ କ'ଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି? ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ଆବାଉଟ୍ ଦି ଇଣ୍ଡିଭିଜୁଆଲ୍ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟସ୍. ଆମେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିକୁ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିଗତ ସ୍ତରରେ କିଛି ବୁଝେଇବା. ହେଲ୍ପିଂ ହୁମ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ହିମସେଲ୍ଫ, ନିଜ ଭାବଦରେ ନିଜର କ୍ଷମତା ହିସାବରେ ଜାଣିବା, ବୁଝିବା. ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇଫେକ୍ଟିଂ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ଇନ୍ ହିମ୍, ତା ମଧ୍ୟରେ କିଛି ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ ଆଣିବା, ତାକୁ ବୁଝେଇ କିଛି ଭଲ ବାଟ ଦେଖେଇବା. ଆଣ୍ଡ ହିଜ୍ ଏନଭାରମେଣ୍ଟକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ କିଛି ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନ କରିବାକୁ ଆମେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବା. ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ହିମ୍ ହେଲ୍ପ ହିମ୍ ଟୁ ଗ୍ରୋ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡେଭଲପ୍ as much as possible. ଏବଂ ଯଥାସମ୍ଭବ ତାର ସେତିକି ବିକାଶ କରିବା ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମର ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସର କର୍ତ୍ତବ୍ୟ ଅଟେ. ଏଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କହିବା? ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ. ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଇଜ୍ ନଥିଙ୍ଗ, ସିମ୍ପଲ୍. କ୍ନାପ୍ସ said that guidance is helping to individual to understand himself and effecting changes his behavior, also environment as far as possible in growing itself. Okay. ओके, ଏବେ ଦେଖିବା ନିଡ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ. ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସର ଜରୁରୀ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ଏବଂ ଏହାର ଆବଶ୍ୟକତା କ'ଣ ଏବଂ ଏହାର ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱ କ'ଣ? ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ କାହିଁକି ଆସିଲା? ହ୍ୱାଇ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଇଜ୍ ଇଭଲ୍ଭ, ହ୍ୱାଇ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଇଜ୍ ନେସେସରୀ, ହ୍ୱାଇ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଇଜ୍ ନିଡେଡ୍, ହ୍ୱାଇ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଇଜ୍ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ. ଓକେ, First of all, self understanding. Without guidance, a man cannot be understand his self, his innate power, his potentiality. Self understanding and self direction. Direction means one choose, select which path of life, which subject for his career. This direction perspective. Guidance help in understand one's strength, limitation, and others' resources. Always guidance focus to understand his strength. What is my strength? What is my master area? What is my skill ability area? And what is my limitation? My strength is drawing is my best strength. Speaking is my best strength. My weakness is I not able to speak multilingual such as Urdu, such as Bengali, such as Tamili, etc. It is my weakness of language. My strength is I speak clearly Odia and English, also Hindi. It is my strength and other resources. Guidance helps. Second, guidance helps individual to develop ability to solve problem and take decision. Guidance help to individual. Guidance also help Guidance also direct individual to develop ability itself with the help of such type of guidance and solve its problem according to own ability, own capacity, own skill. Guidance is a process, guidance is a concept to concern optimum development of an individual. कही सारी guidance concept रे it is optimal. Optimum means it is a holistic optimum 360-degree development of individual curricular ପାଇଁ guidance, co-curricular ପାଇଁ guidance, travel ପାଇଁ guidance, picnic ପାଇଁ guidance, career ପାଇଁ guidance, institution choose ପାଇଁ guidance, admission ପାଇଁ guidance. Every field guidance is most necessary for the optimal development of the individual. Next, solving different problem of the individual. Guidance is a assistant process, assistance of individual, helping the individual to solve small or big problem of individual life related to educational problem, related to business problem, related to family problem, related to personal problem. Guidance to cater every problem of the individual in grassroots level and try to solve in own effort itself. Guidance is just help, but do individual doing this area for trying solving the problem in on capacity, on effort, on ability. Academic growth and development. Guidance also provide academic growth and development. Academy means guidance is also provide assistance for career choose, for best reading, for make strategy, for planning, for the your goal, for the your aim of life, etc. It is academic growth. How to read, how to write, how to interact, how to presentation. It is academic growth and development. Okay, next. Vocational choice and vocational adjustment, vocational maturity. Vocational choice. Guidance sometimes focus vocational choice. Which vocation is best for me? Which vocation is best for her? And which vocation best for Ramo? And which vocation best for Hari? ମୋ ପାଇଁ କେଉଁ ପ୍ରଫେସନ୍ ଭଲ? ଟିଚିଂ ନା ନନ୍ ଟିଚିଂ? ରାମ ପାଇଁ ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ ନା ନନ୍ ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ? ଶ୍ୟାମ ପାଇଁ ମେକାନିକାଲ ନା ଫିଟର? ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ନା ଭୋକେସନାଲ ଚଏସ୍, ଭୋକେସନାଲ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ। କ'ଣ ଭୋକେସନାଲ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ? Also, guidance gives the advice, assistance, helping nature for the adjustment of a new situations. Without guidance, you cannot be adjust in new situation. Take the time more and more. Guidance help to solve and advise to adjustment new situation in short period of time and solve and save your money, save your energy, save your time. And vocational maturity, guidance also be mature, guidance also be oriented person for vocational maturity. Okay, it is very important, need and important. First, self understanding, ability to solve problem, optimal development of individual, solving different problem, academic growth and development, vocational choice, vocational adjustment, vocational maturity. Okay, next আমি যা রয়েছে নিড এন্ড ইম্পর্টান্ট অফ গাইডেন্স, আমি যা আলোচনা করছি আর কিছু মধ্যে দেখিবা। গাইডেন্স অলসো সোশিয়াল আডজଷ୍ଟমেଣ୍ଟ, ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଅଲସୋ ସୋସିଆଲ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ। ଆମକୁ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ହେଲ୍ପ କରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସୋସିଆଲ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ, କେମିତି ବଡ଼ମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରିବା, ହାଉ ଟୁ ବିହେଭ୍ ଇନ୍ ଅଲ୍ଡର୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଜୁନିୟର ଆଣ୍ଡ ସିନିୟର୍ସ। ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆମେ ଯଦି କହିବା ପର୍ସନାଲ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ, ହାଉ ଟୁ ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟ ୟର ଫ୍ୟାମିଲି ମେମ୍ବର୍ସ, how to manage his and her behavior in your friend circle, in personal matter, etc. And guidance also help and provide assistance better family life, how to adjust he surrounding of the family, how to adjust many problem of the family. Guidance also be provide a knowledge of assistance of how to make good citizenship and what is our constitutional rules, what is our fundamental rights, how to a good citizenship, what is the quality of good citizenship. And guidance also for preservation and proper utilization of human resources, এবং ମାନବୀୟ ସମ୍ବଳକୁ ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ ଭାବରେ କ'ଣ କରେ ନା ୟୁଟିଲାଇଜ୍ କରେ, ଉପଯୁକ୍ତ ଭାବରେ ତାକୁ କାମରେ ଲଗାଏ ଏବଂ ତାକୁ ସଂରକ୍ଷଣ ମଧ୍ୟ କରିବା ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ତାହାର। ଫର୍ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ୍ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ 1986 ଏନ୍ଇ ମଧ୍ୟ କହିଛି ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ୍ ଡେଭଲପମେଣ୍ଟ କଥା। and guidance also focus the national development. Okay, guidance also focus the national development. Next, help to make a satisfactory transition from home to the school. କମ୍ୟୁନିଟିରୁ ସ୍କୁଲ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଯେଉଁ କନେକ୍ସନ୍ ଦେଇଥାଏ, ସାଟିସ୍ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟରି ଟ୍ରାଞ୍ଜିସନ୍ ଦେଇଥାଏ, କାହା ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ? ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ। ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ଡାଇଗ୍ନୋସିସ୍ କରେ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟିଜ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ଅନ୍ ବେସିକ୍ ସ୍କିଲ୍। ବେସିକ୍ ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ଲର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟିଜ୍ ହୁଏ, ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ତାକୁ କ୍ୟାଟର କରେ, ତାକୁ ରେକ୍ଟିଫାଏ କରେ ଏବଂ ରିମିଡ଼ିଜ୍ ଦେଇକି ତାକୁ ସଲ୍ଭ ମଧ୍ୟ କରିଥାଏ। ଓକେ, ଟୁ ହେଲ୍ପ to avoid potential dropouts of study in school, to help avoid potential dropout. Okay, space is covered, just 1 second. Okay, to help to help to avoid potential dropouts of this to the student in school. ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟର କ'ଣ ପୋଟେନ୍ସିଆଲିଟି ଡ୍ରପ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ ହେଇଛି ତାକୁ ଆଭଏଡ଼ କରିକି ତାକୁ ନ୍ୟୁ ପୋଟେନ୍ସିଆଲିଟି ଦେଇଥାଏ କିଏ? ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ। ଆଣ୍ଡ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଅଲସୋ ହେଲ୍ପ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ ଦି ପର୍ପଜ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମିନିଂ ଅଫ୍ ଲାଇଫ୍, ଟୁ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ଫର୍ ଦି ଫର୍ଦର ଡିସିସନ୍ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମକୁ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଯୋଗାଇଥାଏ। ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଅଲସୋ ହେଲ୍ପ ଫର୍ଦର ଏଜୁକେସନ୍, guidance also help understand the purpose of life, guidance also planning the study in school, guidance helps to diagnose his weakness, guidance is a satisfactory transaction of home to school, guidance also national development, guidance guidance also necessary for make a good citizenship, preservation of culture, nature and betterment of life, personal adjustment, social adjustment. Okay, okay, ଏପରିଆ ନେଚର ଅଫ୍ ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ଡିସ୍କସ୍ କରିବା ସର୍ଟଲି। ଓକେ, ଗାଇଡାନ୍ସ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡସ୍ ଫର୍ ଦି ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଏଜୁକେସନ୍ as a whole. एजुकेशन सहित भोकेशनाल प्रोफेशनाल मेनी क्षेत्र में गाइडेंस काम करें. सेकेंड, द गाइडेंस इज meant for all the children. समस्त गाइडेंस आवश्यक. गाइडेंस इज अटेनमेंट ऑफ सेल्फ डायरेक्शन बाय an individual ओन एफर्ट द्वारा गाइडेंस कौन करता है आगू चली था. गाइडेंस इज कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस कही सारी. गाइडेंस इज लॉन्ग प्रोसेस हो पारे. गाइडेंस इज कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस हो पारे. गाइडेंस इज बोथ साइंस एंड आर्ट्स बिकॉज गाइडेंस कंसर्न concept and process concept. Step by step is also a science concept and is a conceptual concept is a arts concept. Guidance is a process of learning. Yes, guidance is process of learning. Guidance is a process of helping. Guidance is a process of effective for an individual. इंडिविजुअल को इफेक्ट करने गाइडेंस आमको साहाय्य करे. गाइडेंस इज ए टीम वर्क. गाइडेंस इज नॉट एलोन. गाइडेंस इज मे बी टीम वर्क. गाइडेंस ऑल्सो become a teamwork facility and some team guide such areas. जमीती पेनाल्टी डिस्कसन है गाइडेंस करने किसी डिसीजन ना पेनाल्टी बसते इट इज ऑल्सो गाइडेंस. गाइडेंस as the promotion of the growth of an individual in self direction is very important. 8 number point is very important. गाइडेंस तार निजर क्षमता निजर दक्षता अनुसार आगे बढ़ापी कौन करता है बाट देखी था. गाइडेंस इज फंक्शनल बाय नेचर. यस, गाइडेंस इज फंक्शनल बाय नेचर बिकज गाइडेंस फंक्शन आम केमी करे आम भर बिहेवियरल चेंजेस फंक्शन आने. आम भर आडजस्टमेंट फंक्शन आने. आम भर कौन करे नेचुरल डेवलपमेंट फंक्शन आने. गाइडेंस बिहेवियर, गाइडेंस एनवायरनमेंट, गाइडेंस सोसाइटी, गाइडेंस पोटेंशियल. तो ये भीतर कौन ट्रांजैक्शन फंक्शनल प्रोसेस चलता है. ओके, गाइडेंस इज ए प्रोसेस ऑफ असिस्टिंग ऑफ एन इंडिविजुअल टू फाइंड हिज प्लेस. केमिति निज स्थान निजे खोजी था गाइडेंस करते हैं. 10 नंबर पॉइंट डिस्कस कराई. ओके, आउ किसी नेचर रही गाइडेंस जमीक आम 11 नंबर डिस्कस करवा. गाइडेंस एस्टाब्लिश एन इफेक्टिव रिलेशनशिप. यस, गाइडेंस ऑल्सो हेल्प टू एडजस्टमेंट रिलेशनशिप, to maintain good relationship, to establish a strong relationship. Okay, guidance regarded as a professional process. Yes, guidance is a professional process because guidance is systematic process. Guidance not haphazard process. यह तुरतुरिया काम नुहे कि बेतलिया भी काम आम कहीपर शुद्ध ओडिया कहीपर. यह एक सुंदर एवं सुसज्जित एवं श्रृंखलित प्रणाली अटे. ओके, गाइडेंस इज इंडिविजुअल एंड ग्रुप इन नेचर. मे भी गाइडेंस इंडिविजुअल को दे पारे, मे भी गाइडेंस ग्रुप को दे पारे. जो मैंने गाइडेंस दौरान एक्सपीरियंस पर्सन मे बी से ग्रुप ही पारती, इंडिविजुअल भी पारती. गाइडेंस इज इंडिविजुअल और ग्रुप इन नेचर. नेक्स्ट, गाइडेंस एज ए सिस्टमेटिक फेज ऑफ द एडुकेटिव प्रोसेस. यस, गाइडेंस इज ए सिस्टमेटिक कही सिस्टमेटिक फेज ऑफ एजुकेटिव प्रोसेस. एजुकेटिव प्रोसेस सिस्टमेटिक चलता है. आउ के इनफॉर्मल वे नॉन फॉर्मल वे चलता है. गाइडेंस इज ए फॉर्मल सिस्टमेटिक प्रोसेस इन एजुकेशन एरिया. गाइडेंस इज ए प्रोसेस ऑफ असिस्टिंग टू एडजस्टमेंट. यस, आम डिस्कस कर इट इज जस्ट ए असिस्टेंट टू एडजस्ट. द गाइडेंस इज मेंट फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सेल्फ. यस, डेवलपमेंट सेल्फ गाइडेंस अत्यंत भाव जरूरी अटे. विदाउट गाइडेंस मैन कैन नॉट बी रियलाइज हिज सेल्फ इन इंटरनल और इंटरनल. Guidance as helping and adjusting. Yes, it is a similarity point of above point. Guidance as adjustment and vocational. Yes, guidance is vocational because guidance also focus the vocational guidance and how to take the responsibility in such type of vocation according to his capacity, building, nature, demand, etc. and also interest. Adjustment to environment. Yes, guidance also be provide assistance how to maintain, how to adjust, how to solve and how to adopt in new situation, new environment and new area. Guidance regards the worth of each and every child. Yes, guidance regards the worth of every individual. Guidance बुझे समस्त मूल्य और मूल्यबोध बुझी से कौन करते हैं गाइडेंस देता है. It is very important the nature of guidance.